Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video we will discuss about how can we find the count blank cells and how we can delete it. We have the employee ID column, we have the employee name column, and we have the employee salary column. And in this table we have some blank rows and which consist of the cells as well, and we need to count the blank cells and we need to find the total quantity. To find the blank cells we use the function like equals to count blank bracket open. In the range we need to select the whole table to find the total blank cells, close the bracket and enter. So we got 15 total blank cells, and if we need to know the total blank rows we again use the same function like count blank bracket open, and in the range we only select the one column which consists of our employee ID, then close the bracket. So we get the total blank rows. Now we can test our formula by copying any data and paste in the blank, so you can see the difference in the data. Now second function is to delete these blank cells. To delete these blank cells, first we need to select the whole table, and now we need to press F5. After getting the table we need to use the special option, and in the special option we have the blanks option, and after that we need to press OK. So we get the total blank cells. Now we need to press the right click, and in the right click select delete option, and in the delete we need to select entire row and press OK. This is how we can delete the rows, and you can find the zero value which indicates that there is no blank cells or row.